Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Punky Crypto Night. So guys, in this video I just want to remind you about this platform called Dubai Mall. I have been making videos about this platform for over a month now. It's a month that I've been making videos about this platform. So guys, and I have withdrawn a lot on the platform. I have withdrawn a lot. At least I can show you I have withdrawn about $133 with just my $8 uh investment on it. I have withdrawn $133 as a profit on it, as a profit. And even today I just want to let us know maybe this platform is still paying or not. So right now we'll be doing my task, my daily task. This is how to do your daily task. Just tap on the VIP UR. Just tap on the VIP UR. It will load and it will show you your task. This is the task. Just do any one of it. Just tap on it, any one of it. Just tap on them and it will show you submit. So click on tap. After it take you to this place, what you will do is you just have to click on submit. Immediately you click on submit, boom, payment successful. So that means your payment, your earning for today's will add up. You can see that I've earned $0.50, $0.50. I continue this video the second day today because I was having issue yesterday, issue of network, so I didn't uh, do it finish. You can see uh in the beginning of this video I have $133 here, but right now you can see that it's 135. So i I think maybe someone still registered, that is why I still have one up to that 135. So you can see I have earned today's income, that is $1.50, $1.50. So right now if you want to withdraw, you will click on withdrawal here. Click on withdrawal. Right now I want to withdraw about till $2.30. That is what I want to withdraw. So you have to input it 2.30. Then from here you input your withdrawal password and click on withdraw. So just click on submit. That is it. Application for withdrawal successful. Right now the money has gone into my wallet. As you can see, they have reduced this here. I will show you the money in my wallet, but for those people that are just seeing this video for the first time, let me show you how to do some other things. For instance, let's say you want to withdraw, you need to first bind your wallet address. When you click here, you can, if it is your first time, when you click withdraw, they will ask you to bind your wallet address. You can see they will ask you to bind your wallet address. So just copy your USDT TRC20 wallet address and bind it. So right now let me show you how the platform works. So you can see when you register, you will be on this level here, but when you deposit, at least let me put it on VIP here. So VIP 1, you just need to deposit $8 and you will be making $1.50 every day by day. $1.50 every single day by day. That is what you will be making. You can make a monthly of $45, monthly income of $45 on it, just like that. This one, if you deposit, if you want to go for level 2, if you want to do level 2, then deposit $38. Deposit $38. It will be earning $77 every day. But one thing you should know, that if you are already doing VIP 1, which is this level 1, you deposit $8. So if you want to do VIP 2 again, let's say you want to upgrade to VIP 2, you don't need to deposit $38. Just deposit $30, since you have already deposited $8 in VIP 1. I want to upgrade to VIP 2. Just deposit $30 and you will be in VIP 2. But if you have not, if you are not doing VIP 1 before and you want to go straight to VIP 2, just deposit the main amount, $38. The same law apply to this one also. If you are doing this before the VIP one, all you need to deposit here is only $110. But if you are in VIP 2 and want to upgrade to VIP 3, just deposit minus $38 from $118. What you see is what you are going to deposit. So that means you are going to deposit something like 80 something dollars. Yes, 80 something dollars. And you'll be making $23 every day by day, every day by day. For this VIP 4, deposit $358 and you can be making $75 every day. So this is how this platform work, like that, like that, like that. You see, they still have more more this thing here. If you deposit $9,000, this one, you will be, if you deposit $9,718, you will be making $2,332 every day. You can earn it in 6 days. You have already earned your profit in 6 days. 6 days, you make your capital back and start making more income on it. As I tell you, this platform is a long-term platform, and up to now it's still paying since I've been making video about it. So this is how the platform work. This is just how it work. From here they also have Locky Table. You can use it, but I don't think I have any lucky time ball here, so I don't have. So you can just use it and you can earn more from it also. So guys, this is everything I know I can show you about this platform. If you want to recharge, click on recharge button here, click on recharge, copy your withdraw or your recharge USDT TRC20, then send the money into it. The minimum you can send is $8, 8 USDT, so you should know that. But you can send more than that. $8 is the minimum. Their minimum withdrawal is $1.50. So now let me go and show you my withdrawal proof on my Trust wallet, because I know the withdrawal is there already. But before that, let me show you my withdrawal record here. You can see this is the one I just withdraw today. You can see it here, $2.30. So let me go and show you my withdrawal proof on my Trust wallet. So you can see it here. This is it here on my Trust wallet, $2.30. You can see it. This is it here. You can check the time I received it. You can see that I received it 6 minutes ago. 6 minutes ago. As I'm making this video, you can see it. So that is it. The platform is paying, as you can see. So let me just make a screenshot of it. So as you can see, the platform is paying. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will if you are interested, you will try it out. I hope you can try it out. So I hope you can try it out. So that is it. Thank you for watching. See you soon on my next video. Goodbye for now. Thank you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Goodbye.